DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a groundbreaking action camera designed to cater to adventurers, content creators, and filmmakers who demand exceptional performance in any environment. At its core is a powerful 40-megapixel 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor that delivers breathtaking image clarity with an impressive 13.5 stop dynamic range, ensuring vivid details even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera supports Ultra HD 4K video recording at 120 FPS, making it perfect for cinematic slow-motion footage. Complementing this is the Super Night mode for low-light scenarios, offering unparalleled quality for nighttime adventures. The Osmo Action 5 Pro boasts an expansive 155 degrees field of view, ideal for capturing immersive wide-angle perspectives. Thanks to DJI's 360-degree horizon-steady image stabilization, you can record steady footage even during intense high-motion activities. The dual OLED touchscreens, a 2.5-inch back display and a 1.46-inch front display, ensure effortless framing, navigation, and control, whether you're vlogging or capturing first-person action. The camera's build is as rugged as its performance. It's waterproof up to 20 meters without a case and 60 meters with a waterproof case, making it an exceptional companion for water sports and diving enthusiasts. The Battery Plus offers up to 4 hours of continuous recording, ensuring you don't miss any critical moments. Features like subject tracking, 8K photos, and raw footage capture elevate your creative possibilities, while its robust and intuitive design ensures you're ready for any challenge. The GoPro Hero 13 Black continues GoPro's legacy of innovation, delivering unparalleled performance and features that set a new standard for action cameras in 2024. At the heart of this powerhouse is a 1x1.9-inch image sensor capable of capturing 27-megapixel raw still photos and cinematic 5.3K video at 60 FPS. Whether you're recording fast-paced adventures or taking still shots, the Hero 13 Black ensures stunning clarity, vibrant colors, and exceptional detail. It also supports 4K 120 and 2.7K 240 video, perfect for capturing high-resolution slow-motion footage up to 8x slower or 13x with the new Burst Slow-Mo mode. GoPro's revolutionary Hyper-Smooth 6.0 image stabilization with Auto Boost delivers silky smooth video even in the most rugged conditions. Battery life gets a major upgrade with the 1900 mAh Enduro battery, offering longer runtimes across extreme temperatures, from icy peaks to blazing deserts. The camera's durability matches its performance, boasting waterproofing up to 10.1 meters without a housing, making it an ideal companion for diving, surfing, or snorkeling adventures. The Hero 13 Black's 2.27-inch rear touchscreen allows for intuitive controls with easy toggling between widescreen and mobile-friendly vertical shots. Whether you're editing slow motion, night effects, or adjusting settings on the go, the interface is simple yet powerful. With the Quick app, you can extract 24.7-megapixel still frames from your videos, ensuring every moment is shareable. Designed to integrate seamlessly into GoPro's accessory ecosystem, the Hero 13 Black supports a wide range of mounts and mods, including lighting, microphones, and lens filters, further enhancing its versatility. The OM System Tough TG7 is a rugged and reliable digital camera built for adventurers who need a device as tough as their outdoor escapades. At its core, the TG7 features a 12-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor and the TruePic 8 image processor, delivering impressive image quality and performance even in low-light environments. With an aperture range starting at f2 and an ISO sensitivity of up to 12,800, the TG7 ensures bright, detailed photos and videos in challenging lighting conditions. Its versatile 4x optical zoom lens, 25 to 100 millimeters equivalent, provides flexibility for capturing landscapes, portraits, or detailed close-ups with ease. Designed to withstand extreme environments, the TG7 is waterproof up to 15 meters, IPX8 rated, shockproof, crushproof, freeze-proof, and dustproof, making it an ideal choice for underwater photography, mountain treks, or harsh desert landscapes. The camera supports 4K video recording and Full HD at 30 FPS, allowing users to capture high-quality footage that complements their stunning still photography. A major highlight is the 3-inch 1.04-meter LCD monitor, which provides a clear interface for composing shots, navigating settings, and reviewing content. To enhance its versatility, the TG7 is compatible with a wide range of 17 accessories, including fisheye and teleconverters, underwater housings, and protective filters. The Akaso Brave 8 Lite is a feature-rich action camera designed for adventurers and creators seeking high-quality performance at an accessible price point. Powered by the advanced Ambarella chip and a 7G lens, this camera captures stunningly sharp and colorful footage in 4K resolution at 60 FPS and detailed 20-megapixel still photos. The Brave 8 Lite introduces revolutionary 2-in-1 stabilization technology, combining a built-in anti-shake component with an auto-smoothing algorithm accessible via the mobile app. This synergy delivers impressively stable and silky smooth footage, even in fast-moving or rugged environments. Its ultra-wide-angle 166-degree lens allows for immersive, expansive shots, making it ideal for extreme sports, scenic landscapes, and dynamic action scenes. Built for versatility and durability, the Brave 8 Lite is constructed with high-quality aluminum alloy and PC plastic, ensuring resilience during demanding outdoor activities. It is waterproof up to 10 meters without a case, enabling users to dive and record underwater adventures without additional equipment. The dual-screen design, featuring a 2.0-inch HD rear touchscreen, provides seamless control and easy self-recording for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts. Additional features like the G sensor allow for instant portrait mode switching, and the rechargeable wristband remote control offers effortless operation in various scenarios, whether you're on the slopes or underwater. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 sets a new standard in action camera technology, delivering unmatched versatility and performance in a compact, durable body. At its heart is a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, which enables stunning 8K 30 video capture and vivid 8K still photos. This high-resolution capability is enhanced by active HDR, which ensures vibrant colors and rich details, even in challenging lighting conditions. Designed in collaboration with renowned lensmaker Leica, its 157 degrees wide-angle f2.6 lens provides cinematic perspectives, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or immersive action shots. One of the standout features of the Ace Pro 2 is its dual chip system, combining a professional imaging chip for high-speed processing and noise reduction with an AI chip for enhanced imaging and performance optimization. This system unlocks advanced shooting modes like 4K 60 active HDR and upgraded pure video for ultra-smooth and detailed footage. The built-in flow state stabilization and horizon lock use intelligent algorithms to deliver incredibly stable and balanced shots, even in the most dynamic environments. It features a 2.5-inch flip touchscreen that doubles as a front or rear-facing display for seamless live view monitoring, making it ideal for vlogging or self-recording. A smaller 0.7-inch front display keeps critical settings visible at a glance. Enhanced built-in microphones provide improved audio capture, ensuring your videos sound as professional as they look. Built for adventure, the Ace Pro 2 is waterproof up to 12 meters, allowing for worry-free shooting in rain, rivers, or shallow dives. Its long-lasting battery supports 3 hours of continuous 1080p video recording, with fast charging ensuring minimal downtime between sessions. From budget-friendly picks to pro-level powerhouses, these are the best action cameras of 2024. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content.